Hello, welcome to Tech Easy. Good evening to everyone. Today in this video we'll see that should I upgrade to Android 14. I'll let you know the answer. Before going, I'll show you this is my Android 14. If you observe, see here system update. This is the Fun Touch OS and the operating system is 14 Android 14. Okay, this Android update of 14, it's like 3 days back. The first thing I noticed is the UI changed at the status bar options, or the status bar, or the notification. What do we call this? I don't know exact. These options, when we scroll down, the look and feel of this entire options was totally changed, and I liked it. For this reason, I'm really happy. And the second thing is, before upgrading to this system update of Android 14 from 13 or 12 or whatever it may be, open Chrome on your mobile and just search as is my mobile. For example, my current mobile is IQ Z7 Pro mobile. So replace with your phone model number and search like is my phone compatible with Android phone. You may ask a question like, as the manufacturer knows that that particular version is compatible with your device, then only they'll release the update. But I am asking you to do the small research, because the other users who have recently updated to this particular Android version 14, if they face any problems, they will post it on this forums or the discussion sites. Few may have battery drain problems. See here, after update Android 14 battery draining problem, or some of the with this specific model. This won't happen with all the models and in all cases. They will just mention their problems and issues and the advantages and the features also. And coming to the advantages, after you check the compatibility, there is wonderful option which is lock screen customization. I personally want this lock screen customization. Click on your Android settings. See, under this lock screen and wallpaper, click on this. Under lock screen settings, and there is a new option. On the Android 13, I didn't find this custom lock screen, but on Android 14, there is a custom lock screen where I can change whatever it may be. I can keep calendar here. See here, this is on the lock screen. Remember, I can keep it to camera, or here at the right side also, if I want, if I can keep the flashlight here, or if I don't want anything, I can just keep to none. And I can write my name, my mobile number, my email ID, something like this here, or I can keep a signature here. This customization is really good, and let me know in the comments that how many of you like this locks in customization and waiting for such option. So this is available on the Android 14. After you're done with the customization, you can click on apply here so that it gets applied. And the lock screen posters also, there is a new option called wallpapers being used. So these are all the wallpapers, lock screen wallpapers and being used, and I can add my local wallpaper. So you may have download some photos from Google Images, and those you can add as a local wallpaper so that they will also get looped on the lock screen. Yeah, and coming to the next thing, there is some manufacturer mobiles have added new font styles. So in that case, if you're looking for new display settings like new wallpapers and fonts and themes, definitely new wallpapers and new themes and new font styles will be added by many manufacturers. Click on this lock screen and wallpaper, and click on this wallpapers. There are new wallpapers I found in the Android 14. And coming to the font style, this was a bit disappointed because there are no free fonts added to this Android 14 version. Maybe you need to check in your particular device model whether there are new fonts added. And one more thing, if you click on this recent tabs, you can actually pin some of the tabs. For example, if I want this settings to be pinned, means it should be locked. Okay, there is a lock symbol, observe here, and I'll lock this Google TV also, lock it. And when I clear the recent tabs, only the locked, see, the lock symbol apps will be staying in this background, and all the other apps will be created from the RAM. So this is pretty important because it is hard to clear each and everyone. We instantly click on this clear all option, but in clear all options we want some of the apps to be still pinned in here. So this is where this lock and unlock really gets useful. And let me do comment in the below that how many of you like this option on the Android 14 too. And coming to the security patches also, as there is a upgrade from 13 to 14, definitely there will be security patches. In that case also you may take the decision to upgrade to 14. And yes, the UI and this look and feel, everything I like. Actually, I'm really satisfied with the upgradation from Android 13 to 14. And please do comment how you're feeling if anyone already updated to 14. And thanks for watching. Have a nice day.